what it's supposed to.
Come on, man.
I didn't want to come here and have this discussion.
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares because it was right around.
You know what? The numbers are we still? I have
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
Right.
They were and they weren't.
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
Good.
Jimmy Falcon, yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Fallon, I apologize.
Jimmy Falcon, man. What do you think I am, a bird or something? You know? I mean, where am I gonna fly to? I can't fly anywhere now. I got the headphones in.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm being interviewed by Jimmy Falcon, the bird.
And I'm talking to Mr. Pregnant.
Yeah, Mr. Pregnant. Atelston, Fitzgerald, hold on first.
Now you were on the ship. What do you think I am, a bird or something? You know?
Boy, killing it, boy,